In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Woocommerce version. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or new to the world of e-commerce, knowing which version of Woocommerce your site is running on is crucial for maintaining compatibility with plugins and themes, ensuring security, and accessing the latest features. This tutorial is designed to guide you through every step of the process effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your website, from posts and pages to plugins and updates. To get there, simply type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser's address bar. For example, if your website's address is example.com, you would type example.com/wp-admin. Once there, enter your login credentials if you're not already logged in. The dashboard is effectively the control room of your WordPress site, giving you access to everything you need to manage your content and settings. Next, let's delve into the world of Woocommerce. Look for the Woocommerce menu item on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. This is your gateway to all things related to your online store, from orders and customers to reports and settings. Upon finding it, click on Woocommerce to proceed. If you've already installed and activated Woocommerce, it should be visible on your sidebar without any issues. If not, you might need to install or activate Woocommerce first. After entering the Woocommerce section, we're going to navigate to the status page. The status page is essentially a health check for your online store. It provides a comprehensive overview of your website's environment, including software versions, server settings, and Woocommerce configuration details. To access this, click on the status link. This will take you to a new page within the Woocommerce settings that outlines all sorts of useful information about your website's current operational status. Now, for the main event, checking your Woocommerce version. Within the status page, you should see a section labeled Woocommerce version. This is where your current version of Woocommerce will be listed. It's a straightforward identifier that tells you exactly which version of Woocommerce your website is running on. This information is particularly useful when troubleshooting issues, seeking support, or ensuring that your site remains up to date with the latest features and security updates. And that's how you check which version of Woocommerce your website is using. It's a simple but essential piece of information that can help you manage your online store more effectively. Keeping an eye on your Woocommerce version ensures that you're always leveraging the best the platform has to offer, from new functionalities to important security patches. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your Woocommerce experience. Regularly update Woocommerce. Woocommerce continuously evolves, with new versions offering improved features and security measures. Always keep an eye out for updates in the dashboard and apply them as soon as possible. Compatibility check. Before updating Woocommerce or any plugins, ensure they're compatible with your WordPress version and with each other. This can prevent potential conflicts or issues on your site. Back up your site. Before making significant changes, such as updates, always back up your website. This ensures that, should anything go wrong, you can restore your site to its previous state without losing data. In summary, knowing how to check your Woocommerce version is a basic yet essential skill for managing a successful online store. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily find this information and use it to your advantage, ensuring your site remains secure, functional, and up to date. Remember, a well-maintained site is the foundation of a thriving e-commerce business. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Happy managing, and here's to the success of your online store.